John Nze-Bertram TV here in Surat. This is the boat ramp, and that is the water over there is quite brown. This bridge, the bridge there leads to the town, and the town is over there. We'll be going there to check it out. So this is the ramp for the boats. It's a nice place, big trees. There's a little boat just over there. Look at these huge trees, gum trees. The water is really brown. There are lots of families that do swim in this water. John Nze-Bertram TV here at the Surat boat ramp, Queensland. There's the boat ramp.